Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I just want to show you guys how I did manage to create a stand-up comedy using the Udio.com software. In my previous video, I actually explained to you guys what the Udio is. It was just recently launched, okay, and it's quite popular those days. Everyone's looking into it. It can create a nicely you can really create a nicely done music, okay, for you guys, including the lyrics and obviously the music itself. Okay, so there are three options. You can do it the lyrics through the auto-generated LLM model, which has been integrated inside the Udio, or you can do your own custom lyrics, or you can do just leave your music as an instrumental only. Okay, that's what I all covered in my previous video. I highly encourage you to look into it. In today's video, I just want to show you how I managed actually to create a stand-up comedy. Okay, so I was quite amazed that you can actually do the stand-up comedy using that software. Okay, so as you can see, I was actually testing it out for a few times. Okay, some of those outcomes were not something which I was looking to get out from this AI tool. But look, it's like in any sort of software, you need to practice, especially with those AIs. You need to practice the basically it's called those days prompt engineering. So you need to engineer the prompt the way like you want to hear it, you want to see or hear that outcome. Okay, so the first outcome usually is not the best one, but then you can improve it, improve it, and improve it. Okay, so I show you some of those outcomes which I got initially. Yeah, so it's nothing like I was looking to get out of this. Okay, so despite the fact that I did not put some of this additional informations, I just put some sort of like, okay, let's do the stand-up comedy. I even misspelled the comedy here. I put some sort of additional prompts like Latin or hip-hop, and it does gives additional tags into it, okay, like a male vocalist, regional music, Hispanic American music, Hispanic music, and so on and so forth. Okay, but that's not what I was looking to get out of that. Okay, so I was doing some other prompts here, and finally I just simply put stand-up comedy with lyrics only, no music. Okay, and for this particular example, I just choose auto generated. Okay, so the way I actually created this was I click on auto generate and wait for a few minutes. Okay, today the software is quite slow. I had an initial after login today, I had initial information that the servers are a bit overwhelmed, and many users are currently on doing some sort of either the testing or the preparing their music. So that's why it takes a little bit longer for this to respond. Okay, but still, I got some nicely done stand-up comedies out of that. Okay, so it was worth it to wait. So let's listen to this one. At a crowded comedy club stage, and I said, "Folks, have you heard this tale I've you? I heard life's jokes can take a..." There you go. You can hear that's a stand-up comedy. There's no music in the background. People are laughing, okay, and apparently the fella is standing on the stage and is just performing the stand-up comedy for his audience. Okay, so that's what I was looking to get out of the software. Okay, so now the thing is that if some of you guys want to create similar outcome, okay, you might want to come up with your own custom made prompts. Okay, so custom made lyrics. This one, for example, I used the perplexity just to asking them for, look, generate for me some sort of simple stand-up comedy sequence,
about weather, okay, and perplexity within the seconds to just created this one for me, okay. So you can do the same thing, like you can go come up with some sort of or you might have your own idea. You don't need to have a AI tool to generate this one for you. So you might have this one in your head. Just type it in what the lyrics should be, okay. Put the stand-up comedy with lyrics only, no music, okay. That was the prompt I was using, and that's how I came up with this, okay. Sorry, this one here. So yeah, it's the people are laughing in the background, but on the stage, performing the comedy show for the audience. That's all. So yeah, that's the way that's the way I actually managed to create that one. I was pretty happy with the outcome. Okay, and as I said, it was just a randomly generated lyrics using the auto generating tool. But look, if some of you thinking about something more specific, just put this type of prompt here, and then put your own comedy sequence you want to hear out of that, and just click the create button. First outcome might not be what you were looking to get. Okay, that's definitely something which is definitely something which might happen to you. Same like happened to me and everyone else. Okay, the software is basically learning on what you're looking to get out of them. Okay, so this is the way like the GPTs are learning. Okay, more prompts you put it in, more music you generate, or more like this stand-up comedies you will generate. The software will learn what you will really be expecting, okay, to get out of that. Okay, some sort of tags which might be also helpful here. Okay, so let's say like I put the simple prompt stand-up comedy with lyrics only, no music, and the software actually get additional tags assigned to this task. Okay, so instrumental, classical, avant-garde, spoken word, poetry. Okay, so this is the way the those tags were assigned automatically by the Udio. Okay, I haven't put them on. Udio actually, I based on all those previous outcomes I was doing. Okay, Udio decided that those tags are most I was looking to get. Okay, the most the best tags that should be added on to create this type of outcome. And they were right. Okay, so this is something which I want to share in this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. If you'd like to comment, please do so. And also, I would very appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Bye now.